Hi guys, so welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Drive folder. So as you guys can see here are my folders in Google Drive, and I'm going to show you how to create one. So first, you can just click on new, and then you'll find a new folder option at the top. Just click on that and type in the new folder name, for example, like this, and then click on create. And just like that, the folder has been created. So that's the first way. Or you can also just click on this, right click on this what is it called, this part anywhere. Just click on this, right click on this, and then you will also find the new folder option, and just do the same as before. Type in the folder name and click on create. Okay, so that's the easiest way to create folder in Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial.